Hello everyone, today I want to say thank you for all of you. My channel grew up only because you are supporting me. That is very important to me. I know sometimes I'm doing mistakes, my English not so clear, but anyway, thank you. Won't be any tutorials today. I'll give you some gift today. There are some few families of window doors and title blocks. I hope you will find it useful. You can change it, use it, or sell it, whatever, if you want to, of course. Let's check what I'll give you. Just a few type of the door and few type of the window, two wall basement, and one for the panel. So I'm pretty sure you will ask how to use for the panel. Pretty easy. Just go to the wall, choose some exterior. I mean the curtain wall, and as you know, here we have the panels. Just choose one of them, this one. Make sure this is unpinned. After that, choose here window. That's it. So you can switch off the opening if you not need. It's like this. Also, you will find the title blocks. So I did like few title blocks for you. This one A0, A1, A2, and of course A3. Let's go to the A0. What we have here? K-plan, some notes if you need to. Here the revision. This is the revision part. Of course, the name of project, architects, engineer if you need. Name of the project, and here the number and anything what you want. For example, after you can write like maybe like this, and also checked by your lecturer or maybe your supervisor. And also primer for comments only, and you can switch off it. It's easy. Just go inside to the family. If you don't wanna delete, of course, select the line, and here the visible. Let's create the parameter like this one, and instance. Okay. For this one, same. Visible, change to the stamp. Let's load to the project. No, I don't wanna save it. Alright. And now if you click on the title block, you can switch off this one. So of course I have here the scale bar. It's variable, so you can change it here too to any for you want. Maybe 100, change it, and maybe bigger like this one, up to you. So this is for you guys, use it, and thank you one more time.